Okay, we've been autolysing this dough for an hour now. Let's go ahead and add our starter. I have some really nice starter here. It's 50% whole wheat flour and 50% bread flour. And I fed it last night and again this morning. So it's been about 6 hours since I fed it. It's really nice and vigorous. We'll be adding 200 grams of the starter. Okay, so we've got 200 grams of starter there. I'll go ahead and mix that up. So the dough right now is at 100% hydration and the starter's at 100% hydration. So nothing's changing. It's going to stay at 100% hydration. Now I'm going to add 16 grams of salt, sea salt, pre-measured, so I'm just going to put it in there. And then I'll get in there with my hands and mix it in. Salt tends to stiffen up the dough a bit once you add it. So this will help make the dough a little stiffer. But we're going to be making a loose type of bread. It's going to have minimal shaping. It'll be somewhat like a ciabatta bread. Okay, so we have 100% hydration dough here. And we will be folding it a few times and then I'll put it in the refrigerator. We don't want it to over ferment during bulk ferment because it's so wet. We're going to let it do its main bulk fermentation in the refrigerator. Room temperature is about 70. The dough temperature, which I took a little while ago, was right around 69, so pretty close to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. If you want to ferment it a little warmer, you can, but it's so wet and it has so much whole grain in it that I thought I'd keep it a little bit on the cooler side. I don't want to over ferment and break the gluten down faster. I'll let that set a little while and I'll come back and do a couple of folds just to strengthen it a little and incorporate the salt. Still pretty weak, but it feels really nice. It has a real nice feel to it. We'll let it ferment at room temperature, probably about 3 hours. We'll see how it's doing after 3 hours. And then I'll refrigerate it overnight and we'll shape and bake tomorrow.